there, fashionistas. Are you a woman over 50 and 60 plus looking to rock some hot summer fashion? Look no further. Get ready to elevate your summer style with these 9 must-have outfits for those over 50 and 60. This season, embrace sun-kissed style with confidence and flair. Tip number 1. The classic white linen shirt paired with high-waisted denim shorts. This timeless look is perfect for a casual day out or a beach trip. Tip number 2. Don't forget to rock a pair of sunglasses that not only protect your eyes but also elevate your sunny style. Choose a pair that reflects your personality and adds a touch of glam to your outfit. Tip number 3. Opt for stylish wide-brimmed sun hat that shield your face, neck, and shoulders from the sun's rays. That not only covers you from the sun but also supports a cause. Wear it with pride and make a statement while staying protected. Tip number 4. When it comes to footwear, opt for stylish sandals or espadrilles that are both comfortable and fashionable. You'll be able to strut your stuff all day long without sacrificing style. That will keep your feet happy as you strut your stuff with confidence and flair. Tip number 5. Choose flowy, straight-cut dresses. They promote greater air circulation and keep sweat from becoming trapped on the skin. Tip number 6. Embrace the power of florals with a flowy midi dress. Opt for a bold print to make a statement and stay cool in the summer heat. Tip number 7. Accessorize with jewelry that's not only fashionable but also comfortable in the sun. Add some sparkle to your look while keeping cool and chic. Tip number 8. When the temperatures rise, reach for a breezy maxi skirt paired with a lightweight tank top. This combo is both comfortable and stylish for any summer occasion. Tip number 9. Opt for light, airy clothes with strategic cutouts that let the air blow your skin. Stay breezy and stylish all day long while soaking up the sun's rays. And remember, confidence is key. Embrace your age and celebrate your unique sense of style. You deserve to look and feel fabulous at any age. So go ahead. Step out in style this summer and show the world that women over 50 and 60 plus can rock hot fashion like no other. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification bell for more fashion tips and tricks. Your subscription helps us bring you more content, trendy looks and styles.